I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254, man. Tune in for another one. As you can see, got a review cranked up, man, for the run some errands, man. Checking out my dog Gene video. I was saying my dog Gene Customs. Just hit 2,000 subscribers, man, so check him out. Me too. But yeah, first stop, package store. I gotta run to the post office, man. You know what it is, man. LS Chapo mailing out the pack. See what it is. So that's how we gonna start this video. I don't know how this video gonna end, because I don't know what I'm doing after this. So stay tuned. There you go. Alright, so I figured what I'm gonna do, what to make this video do. I just got back from the post office. So basically this video is gonna be like a little tip on if you gotta buy, you know, certain stuff for your swap, etc., etc., or anything in general. You know what I'm saying? Checking out my dog Mean Gene. Had to switch him over to the big screen. You know what I'm saying? We got something from Junkyard. Check him out. I'm put them on pause so I don't get my damn copyright stuff taken up. So basically what I'm finna show y'all real quick, two different scenarios, same exact part. You know what I mean? So as y'all know, I did get the oil pan in. It's looking good, looking great. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so what I'm doing is now I need oil pan bolts. I don't feel like going to the junkyard. It's been raining, it's muddy. I'm not gonna fuck with it. I'm gonna just order a set, $13. Give me a whole set, you know, good to go. Would it be cheaper at the junkyard? After gas? No. You know what I'm saying? Going 30 minutes out, 30 minutes back, you done burn $13 in gas, especially in that in that realm. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna just show y'all what we got. So like I said, I need the bolts, right? So the oil pan bolt set, part number 551680 from Summit, $12.99. Like I said, $13. Review looks good, good option, looks good quality, good price point as well. I mean, $13 for your oil pan bolts, not the end of the world. You know what I mean? So, boom, we throw them in a cart. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get ready to check out. Now, the thing with this is, after it's all said and done, your balance is $24.82. So now you are paying almost $25 for them same ass bolts, which is not as much. You know what I'm saying? So what happened? What happened is this $10 charge for shipping and handling, and of course tax, because Sam got to get his. So that's almost a whole nother set of bolts know what I'm saying, just on GP. So this is what I'm gonna show you, and I have it pulled up right here. So if you look right here, I have it pulled up on eBay. If you look right here, fast shipping, LS oil pan boat sets. I'm saying pretty much the same as boats. $12.99. Who is the seller? Oh look, it's ICT Billet. It is the exact same people who make these right here, ICT Billet. And this is a official joint. You can tell because the numbers is up there, all that good joint. So the difference here when we go to checkout is it's $14.06. There is about what, a $10 difference? Yeah, 24, 14, yeah, 24 on this one. Hop back over to eBay, 14. So you were saving over $10 on just shipping alone. You know what I'm saying? And that's something that, I mean, some people don't really pay attention to. Like, oh yeah, I'm ordering something from Summit or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that you check everywhere. Especially if it's something like this where the manufacturer is the same. A lot of these distributors or a lot of these companies they sell through, you know, Summit, Jags, etc. And then some of them sell over on eBay. And like you can see right here, this has free shipping and you just save $10. So that's the game. You know what I'm saying? Something that I figured out, you know what I'm saying, I want to share with y'all. Y'all know I'm all about, you know, I'm LS cheapo, man. So that $10 I just saved in shipping. You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't gonna make my boats no better, no worse. I'm still paying for the boats. I'm just saving $10 on shipping. So, I mean, do it how you want to. But if this was helpful, you know what I'm saying, to you, put in the comments below hashtag LS cheapo. That's me. So, all right. Let's get to the next part. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS 254. When you tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. LS 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LS 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, so now that we done dropped that knowledge on you, man, I hope that was helpful. I gotta get back out here in the garage, man. I gotta get busy. Of course, y'all know there's been a lot that's been going on with the cutters. Trying to move it into position. Recently, we went ahead. We got the 22s for it. Oh my God, it just looks so good. Looks so good. I was in the process of trying to find some longer studs so I could put a spacer back there. Well, I did put one spacer back there, which I think helped a little bit. But if I put another spacer, I think for sure we would be okay. One more little spacer. Like if you just think about it, just boom, like that. I think it might be alright. So if we could put another space on that back side, I don't know. But I just know that I know that they would have to be longer. Matter of fact, since I gotta raise this back up anyway, let's raise this up, put it on jack stand, and see kind of where we sitting at. As you can see, we good in the front on clearance right there, and then of course in the back we good too. So I mean, I'm not trying to notch my frame or do nothing crazy. I'm just trying to, do this budget build. You know what I'm saying? Other than probably the gaskets for this Cutlass, this is probably the most money I done spent on it. Other than the other stuff, putting it into the motor. Well, yeah, that part. And then, okay. So yeah, this is probably like one of the most expensive thing that I'm doing for the car, being that the car was gifted, you know what I'm saying, by my bro, and now, we bringing it together, gonna make it go real hard. So let me get this jacked up and stuff, and we'll see what we're working with. Like I said, if anybody knows where I can get those extended lug nuts, then let me know. Comment section below, and go from there, man. Alright, so slide a little 22 off. Roll it right there for a second. So put our lug nuts right there. As you can see, you can kind of see what we're working with. So trying to see exactly what we might be looking at. So if we did 2 spacers, I'm not exactly sure how much. Like, it doesn't really leave a lot of room for thread to come through. So let me see what it's looking like. So yeah, just by looking at it, I mean, you can tell that that's not gonna be enough. It's not gonna be enough threads. So 1 spacer we'll have to do for now. Like I said, going with a skinnier tire, that's gonna help too. So we should be good, man. We should be good. The biggest thing is the actual rim on the inside is not working with a spacer. And that is what counts. So that's what counts. But yeah, as you can see, that's not easy. That's not. I don't think that's gonna work. Let's see. Alright, so just so y'all can't be like I didn't try, that's 2 spacers. As you can see, that's not even sticking through. You probably need at least 1/2 inch half an inch longer wheel studs. I believe these are like 1.6 inches or something like that. So probably need at least a 2.5 inch stud. But even if you were to come out that far, then I'm pretty sure we would get like some kind of rubbing issue, because the end, let me see if I can represent this accurately. Pretty much the end, this is the end of here, you know what I mean? So if it didn't come down directly on it, like it'll be pretty damn close. So like I said, skinnier tire with the spacer, we should be good, and that's how we rocking 255/30. Well, if they got a 255/35, we're gonna take that. If not, we'll go 255/30/22, which we know that they have, because this tire right here is a 255/30/22. So that's the difference. And then, you know, in the other video I explained what would happen and all that stuff. Y'all gotta go watch the video though. I'm not gonna keep repeating myself. So now that we know that for sure, we're gonna take that one spacer off, go ahead and tighten the wheel back down on there, and then go ahead and put this bad boy back up on jack stands and get it ready for the next video, which would be gas tank, I believe. Should be. Yeah, should be gas tank. That's the word. So, appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. It's your boy, Rod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses. Oh yeah, man, get your merch. Teespring.com store, something like that. Check down in the description box below. Get that link. Get your merch, man. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Gone.